Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the leakage focus effect for your edits on CapCut. So this is the new effect on CapCut that you can apply to your edits, and you can easily find it on the video effects here. And you can find it under the Christmas section. So click on the Christmas, and here is the leakage focus effect. Click on that to use it, and this is the default look of the effect, but you can always adjust it more by clicking on the effect. You can adjust the speed, the blur, and also the size and atmosphere of the effect, and also the intensity and twist. When you're done, just click on the check icon, and you can also adjust the length of the effect. I'm going to make it half of the clip like this, and this will be the final result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on thanks, like, comment if you have any questions. Thank you.